Did you know the Ashy Prinia is one of the tiniest and most charming birds of South Asia? This little bird is known for its grayish-blue back, warm buff underparts, and energetic movements. Ashy Prinias are often seen flitting through bushes and grassy fields, flicking their tails and singing their sharp, cheerful calls. Despite their small size, they are bold and curious, often perching out in the open. They build delicate woven nests close to the ground and are quick, agile insect hunters, adding liveliness to their habitat.